wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best solo radios. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the compact Esky Emergency has a carrying handle, a solar panel, and a surprisingly bright flashlight. You can plug your electronic devices into its USB port for charging too. It's small enough to fit in a pocket and equipped with an earphone jack. However, the plastic crank handle feels flimsy. At number 9, ideal for a range of outdoor activities, the Compass Culture is a portable option that doubles as a power bank for mobile devices. Its emergency features include an SOS alarm with a flashing red light and a survival tool with a compass and whistle. It offers 7 NOAA weather channels and includes a magnesium fire starter, but the speaker doesn't get very loud. Coming in at number 8 in our list, inclement weather won't affect the Sangean MMR88 thanks to its heavy-duty construction. Its bright backlit screen is easy to read and displays the current radio frequency and battery status. It comes with a hand strap. It produces a decent audio quality and is equipped with protective rubber end caps. However, solar charging takes a long time. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for solo radios, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Midland ER310 offers both AM and FM bands, as well as 7 NOAA channels to alert you to severe weather. Its rechargeable 2600 mAh lithium-ion battery will provide up to about 32 hours of operation. It features an ultrasonic dog whistle and a light with an SOS flashing mode, but the display isn't backlit. Moving up our list to number 6. While it can run on 3 AAA batteries, the VMEI cell can also be powered via a manual crank. If you're in need of help, its SOS button produces a siren along with a bright flashing light to attract attention. It comes with a compass and you can attach it to your belt loop. However, it doesn't have a digital tuner. Halfway up our list at number 5, the Kato KA500 provides a reliable reception thanks to its long retractable antenna. Beneath the solar panel, you find 5 LED lights which are useful for reading, while its brushless dynamo makes for easy hand cranking. It's available in 5 colors and is lightweight for easy portability. It produces a loud emergency alarm. At number 4, the waterproof Grius Hurricane provides 12 hours of music thanks to a powerful battery that can be charged fully in under 5 hours via micro USB. The high-quality speakers generate clear audio even at high volumes. It accepts SD cards and flash drives, and its solar panel is large and effective. It sports a classic boombox design. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, combining performance with value, the Running Snail MD090P has a replaceable 4000 mAh battery that can charge more than 1 electronic device at the same time. It features a motion-activated reading light, while its emergency weather reports can be a lifesaver. It comes with a bright 3-mode flashlight that provides 12 hours of illumination. Its hand crank generates power quickly. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for solo radios, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Lukasa Portable is a large flat design that allows for the placement of a generous 5x6-inch solar panel on the back. Its ample 5200 mAh power bank supplies plenty of energy in an emergency, while its 4-volt DC output can be used for external lighting. It's equipped with Bluetooth connectivity, a carrying handle, and an SOS alarm. And taking the top spot on our list, the Bluetooth-enabled Eaton Sidekick has a digital tuner that receives AM, FM, NOAA, and SAME broadcasts. The rugged design incorporates a carrying handle and a bright ambient light on the back panel, while a sturdy crank arm occupies the front. It features a red emergency beacon and a rechargeable lithium-ion battery. It charges via solar in under 6 hours. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for solo radios, or simply click beneath this video.